Good morning, kinder friends. Today is Monday, March 23rd, and this is your math intervention time. Today we're going to review longer and shorter. First, we'll watch this short video to review the two concepts. All right, I hope you paid attention. For the next few slides, you will see a 5-cube stick or a 5-tower and an object next to it. You're going to compare the two objects. You're going to say whether the object next to the stick is longer than or shorter than the 5-cube stick. Let's start here. Is this pencil longer than or shorter than the 5 stick? The pencil is shorter than the 5 stick. It's only as tall as 4 cubes. Is this horse longer than or shorter than the 5 stick? The horse is longer than the 5 stick. His head and ears are above the top of the stick. He's longer than the stick. How about this chair? Is the chair longer than or shorter than the 5 stick? The chair is longer than the 5 stick. The top of the chair goes above the top of the stick. Now the 5 stick is turned on its side. Is this worm longer than or shorter than the 5 stick? The worm is longer than the 5 stick. Is this crayon longer than or shorter than the 5 stick? The crayon is shorter than the 5 stick. For the next few slides, we're going to compare two different towers of cubes. Notice that all the cubes are the same size. Now pay attention because you're going to have to do this on your own at the end. First, pick which tower is longer. On the left, we have a tower of 5 cubes. On the right, there is a tower of 4 cubes. Which one is longer? The tower on the left with 5 cubes is longer than the tower on the right with 4 cubes. Now we need to see how many cubes we need to add to make the shorter tower the same length. The shorter tower is only 4 cubes. The longer tower is 5. How many cubes do we need to add to the 4 tower to make it the same as 5? We need to add 1 cube. If we put 1 cube on the top of the 4-stick tower, it will become a 5-stick. How about another one? Which tower is longer? The 5-stick or the 2-stick? The stick or the tower with 5 cubes is longer than the stick with only 2 cubes. Again, how many cubes do we need to add to make the shorter tower the same length? If the shorter tower only has 2, how many more cubes do we need to get to 5? We need to add 3 more cubes. 2 and 3 more will give us to 5. Okay, for independent work, you're going to complete this page in your math fluency packet. Compare the tower. Color in the tower that is longer. Then add cubes to make the shorter tower the same length. Once you finish this page, submit it to your teachers on Dojo. Parents, if you can, submit it to the portfolio. If not, you can just send a screenshot. To find the portfolio, click on your child's name and scroll all the way to the bottom. You should see a portfolio option with a plus sign to add stuff. If not, you can just send the picture. Okay, kids. Once again, color in the tower that is longer, which is like what we did when we found the longer tower. Just color that in. Then look at your shorter tower and add cubes to make it the same length. So just like when we had a 5-stick and a 2-stick, we had to add 3 more cubes to make our 2-stick the same as the 5-stick. All you're doing is adding cubes to make the 2 towers the same length. Make sure you're making the cubes all the same size. And as always, if you need help, please ask your teachers during their office hours or send a message on Dojo. Have a great day.